Today we will discuss removing special characters from the given string. So what I mean by this is, suppose there is a string. From here, we need to remove special characters or junk characters, which are these. So what is the approach? Okay. So approach is simple. Just we need to use a regular expression and a replace all method, which is present in Java. So do not go with like finding the length of the string and comparing character are now alphanumeric or not in that way. Okay, it is not the right way, and interviewer not expecting that answer also. So go with approach, replace all method. Okay, it accepts two arguments. Okay, which first one will be regular expression and second one will be with what value you want to replace. Okay, is it empty value, is it space, is it what? Okay, so first argument regular expression we need to pass, and it will be okay replaced with whatever you pass as a second argument on that particular regular expression. So suppose I wanted A to Z, I don't want to remove, and A to Z we don't want to remove, and 0 to 9 don't want to remove. So we are saying I don't want to remove these, but remaining I want to remove. So other than these alphanumeric values, I want to remove remaining things. So we need to do negotiation. Okay, negotiation we need to give here. So this is the symbol which we need to give. So it will keep these values, remaining all the values it will remove from the string. So here just straightforward replace all method we use, that's it, and the regular expression we are going to use it. So let's see how we can solve this. In we will go to Eclipse and we will solve this. Try to solve yourself, as we know method name and regular expression, how we can build it. Okay, so I'm taking one string, let's say original string. Now I want to replace, okay, I want to remove junk characters from the given array. So I'm taking one more variable. So let's take cleaned string, means after removal of junk characters, I am storing in this variable. So from which string we wanted to remove? From original string. Dot replace all. So if you see, it is accepting regular expression as a argument one and replacement one more argument. So with what value you want to replace specific regular expression, whatever you are giving. Okay, so I'm taking this. Now I need to build a regular expression. Okay, so now I am giving a regular expression here as, so I am giving in double quotes and within bracket I am giving A to Z and capital A to Z 0 to 9. These values should be present and remaining all characters should be removed. So here we need to give this symbol so that it will keep these values and it will remove all the other values. Okay, so what value we want to replace? Just I am giving as a just empty. Okay, I don't want to replace with any value, just keep it without anything. So now if I execute cleaned string, see here all the junk characters are removed. Okay, so suppose, and one more scenario, so I want to remove only specific junk character only. Okay, suppose I wanted to remove only slash, or I want to remove only dollars, okay, from the given string. So how we can do that? Okay, so we need to pass in this regular expression. Okay, whichever you wanted to remove, you need to pass that particular one only. So I wanted to remove dollar, suppose. Okay, dollar I wanted to remove. So remaining everything I wanted to keep it. And suppose I wanted to keep, I want to remove, suppose hash also. Let's give hash as well. And now let's execute this. And for now I am commenting this because if we keep these lines, right, already it will be removed. So now we wanted for original on original string. So dollar it is not displayed, hash it is not displayed. So such a way you can remove specific character as well. Okay. So if it is a specific character, that particular character we need to pass here, it will work. So do not go with the like finding the string length and comparing with if conditions and all these things. Okay, thank you.